I'm wondering if you can hear the noise in here on the camera from the transmission.